The organization of Thundercloud Playbook is a folder structure. Each structure can be customized per team. Setting up this structure is covered in the Playbook Publisher training video. If I drill down into one of these folders, for example, the sample football content folder, you'll see I have another folder within. Inside that folder, I have additional playbooks. The arrow in the upper left-hand corner allows me to go back up one level. Now, if I select the sample install playbook, I'm presented with the first page of the first chapter. Pressing the tab in the center of the left side of the screen will open our tab menu. Think of these as the tabs on your 3-ring binder. Simply tapping on the chapters will change you to each section. If you notice in the bottom right of the screen, the current page number and total page numbers of the current tab are presented. Simply dragging your finger on the screen will move the position of the playbook page. Pinching to zoom allows you to set the viewable area of the screen. Dragging your finger changes the viewable area of the text. Notice the Playbook app can be used in either orientation of the iPad, for portrait or landscape viewing. Simply swiping your finger from right to left will turn to the next page. If you wish to jump directly to a page, simply open the left-hand menu and select our second menu, which generates thumbnails for every page in the current chapter. Scroll down the list to the desired page, select, and it's presented. Moving to the right-hand menu of the screen, we will go through the annotation options presented in Playbook. To allow for easier placement of the annotations, we suggest you zoom in to the portion of the page you wish to deal with. First is our Underline tool. The Underline tool allows you to underline any text on the document by simply dragging your finger across the text. If you wish to modify the underlined text, simply grab the blue bar and drag to the point you wish. Changing colors is as easy as selecting the menu and selecting your desired color. To add a note to the page, simply select the note box and position it on the screen where you wish to insert the note. The note box allows users to type a long list of notes that will collapse down to a comment bubble for later retrieval without blocking the contents of the page. The pencil tool allows users to freeform draw anywhere on the page. The color selection menu also allows you to change the opacity and thickness of the lines. The highlighter tool allows you to highlight any text in the document by simply dragging your finger across the desired text. Then, as with underline, you can modify the text that is underlined and modify the color you wish to use. The typewriter allows the user to type text directly on the screen. Unlike the note tool, this text is always visible. Using the camera icon, an image can be inserted into the document using your iPad's camera or from the photo library. The microphone button enables the user to record audio and insert it on the page for review later. The bookmark tool enables the user to easily drop in bookmarks. These bookmarks can easily be found using the Bookmarks tab on the left-hand menu. This menu lists all the bookmarks included in the active tab. Selecting any of these bookmarks will take the user directly to the page of the bookmark. The Annotations menu lists all annotations included in the active tab. Each annotation will list specific information about the object. Example: The highlighted section will display the text selected in the annotation menu. Selecting any of these annotations will take the user directly to the page of the annotation and actively select it. The last menu allows the user to search for terms within a chapter. The results can be scanned, selected, and the matching text will be highlighted on the page selected.